Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment score of plus 0.064 in the economy sector, a significant uptick compared to historical baselines. What's particularly striking is that momentum is holding steady at plus 0.000, which suggests that while sentiment is improving, it's not being driven by any immediate momentum shifts. This could indicate a cautious optimism among participants, likely stemming from recent economic reports. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment analysis, including the current score, momentum, and 18 semantic clusters that give you deeper insights into public sentiment. Imagine using this to fine-tune your economic forecasting models, or to gauge public sentiment ahead of an important policy announcement. To explore more, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's get building.